Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the chain rule, and here our focus will be to solve more problems based on the chain rule. Okay, so before I start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do and hit the like button if you like this tutorial. So let's start with the questions. Okay, now the first question is y is equal to sine 2x minus 3. Okay, so we know the differentiation of sine x. Okay, and that is equal to differentiation of sine x is cos x. Okay, but inside sine x we have another function. So what I will assume, sine bracket. So I will write differentiation of sine bracket is cos bracket. Okay, and we know that inside the bracket doesn't change, nothing change. Okay, and that whole things will be multiplied by differentiation of the bracket, and differentiation of the bracket is 2. So the answer is 2 cos 2x minus 3. Okay, so you can see that by taking as a bracket the question becomes easier. So what we have done, differentiation of sine bracket is cos bracket multiplied by differentiation of the bracket. So differentiation of 2x you can find separately. Differentiation of this is 2, just 2. Okay, so that's why we have multiplied the cos x2 minus 2x minus 3 times 2. So this is your final answer. Okay, so let's take second question. Y is equal to tan 3x plus 2, and we know that the differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Okay, so here inside tan there is another function 3x plus 2. So what I will assume, I will assume this one as a tan bracket. So differentiation of tan bracket will be sec square bracket. Okay, and we know that after that we have to multiply it by, so let me write first 3x plus 2. So differentiation of tan bracket is sec square bracket multiplied by differentiation of the bracket. So if you see separately, differentiation of the bracket is just 3, so everything will be get multiplied by 3. So your answer will be 3 sec square 3x plus 2. Sorry, this 3x plus 2. So I will repeat once. Tan bracket is sec square bracket multiplied by differentiation of bracket. So differentiation of the bracket, which is 3x plus 2, is 3. Okay, now let's take another question. Y is equal to cos cube x. Okay, now I can write this one as cos x to the power 3, and now you can see that the question became bracket to the power 3, and we know that the differentiation of the bracket to the power is 3 bracket, and the power will get reduced by 1, so 3 minus 1, and we know that inside bracket doesn't change anything. Okay, so I will repeat once, but there is one more thing, we have to multiply by differentiation of bracket here. Okay, so what is this? Bracket to the power 3 is 3 bracket, power get reduced by 1, multiplied by differentiation of the bracket is minus sine x, because differentiation of cos x is minus sine x. So you will get the answer as minus 3 sine x cos square x. Okay, so we have talked about the bracket to the power, some power 3 is 3 bracket to the power 2 multiplied by differentiation of bracket, and differentiation of cos x is minus sine x, and when you will multiply you will get this answer. Okay, so hope this is clear to you. Now let's move to another question. Y is equal to e to the power 4x. Okay, now we know that differentiation of e to the power 4x, e to the power x is e to the power x, but here it is not e to the power x, it is e to the power 4x. So I will write e to the power bracket. Okay, just to make it easier. Okay, so e to the power bracket will be e to the power bracket, which is 4x. So e to the power bracket is e to the power bracket multiplied by differentiation of bracket, and we know that this is the rule of the chain rule. Okay, so e to the power bracket multiplied by differentiation of the bracket. These things you have to do always in the chain rule. So differentiation of 4x is just 4, so you will get y dash is equal to 4 e to the power 4x, and that's your answer. Okay, now let's take another question. E to the power x squared minus 5x, and we know that differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. So but here it is not e to the power x, it is e to the power x square minus 5x, so that I will put in the bracket. Now the question becomes y is equal to e to the power bracket, so y dash is equal to e to the power bracket is e to the power bracket and multiplied by differentiation of the bracket, and we know that inside the bracket nothing's changed, minus 5x. Now e to the power bracket is e to the power bracket multiplied by differentiation of bracket is 2x minus 5. You can do it separately, the bracket differentiation, sorry, x square minus 5x, so x square differentiation is 2x and minus 5. That's why we are writing 2x minus 5. So the answer is, always try to write this one as a coefficient. So 2x minus 5 multiplied by e to the power x square minus 5x. You can see that by using the chain rule you can solve any problem not more than 5 seconds. Okay, so let's take another question. E to the power 4 tan x, so I will use a bracket here, and separately I will try to find the what is the differentiation of e to the power 4 to the power 4 tan x. So we don't have to do anything with tan, and differentiation of, we don't have to do anything with 4, and differentiation of tan is sec square x. Okay, so I know the differentiation of this is this. Now let's come to the question. Y to the power, y is equal to e to the power bracket is y dash is equal to e to the power bracket is e to the power bracket, and we know that inside the bracket nothing change. E to the power bracket is e to the power bracket multiplied by differentiation of bracket, and what was differentiation of 4 tan x? It is 4 sec square x, and we know that we have to write this one as a coefficient, so just rearrange this. You'll get 4 sec square x e to the power 4 tan x. So this is your final answer. Okay, now we will jump to the question belongs to logarithm. Okay, now we know that differentiation of ln x is 1 over x. We will use this one to solve this type of problem. Okay, now in the question you will see that it is not ln x, it is ln 5x. Okay, so what I will assume ln bracket, so y dash is equal to, what is the differentiation of ln bracket? It is 1 over bracket, oh okay, multiplied by differentiation of the bracket. Okay, so 1 over 5x multiplied by differentiation of 5x, so differentiation of 5x is 5, so your answer is this, and this will be cancel out, your answer will be 1 over x. Okay, I will repeat it once more. ln bracket is 1 over bracket multiplied by differentiation of bracket, so 1 over 5x multiplied by differentiation of 5x is 5, so you got this answer. Okay, now let's move to another question. ln x square plus 3. Okay, so we know that I have to assume this one as a bracket, so ln bracket, differentiation of ln bracket is 1 over bracket, okay, multiplied by differentiation of bracket, so differentiation of x square plus 3 is 2x, so your answer is 2x multiplied by x square plus 3. So this is your final answer. Okay, now let's move to the final question of this tutorial, ln cos x. Okay, so I will assume ln brackets, so ln bracket is 1 over bracket because ln x is 1 over x, so that's why we are writing ln bracket is 1 over bracket multiplied by differentiation of the bracket. So first I will write 1 over bracket is your cos x. So 1 over bracket multiplied by differentiation of cos x, or differentiation of bracket, is minus sin x. Okay, and this will become minus sin x over cos x, and if you use trigonometry, this is equal to tan x. So your answer is minus tan x. Okay, so hope you understand this chain rule, and I have taken 9 questions in this tutorial, but I'm going to make another tutorial based on the chain rule, or the combination of the product rule, quotient rule, and the chain rule. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel for more tutorials, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Then bye.